How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can extrude sketch in Freecad. So the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and create yourself an empty file. In here, we then have to, of course, create a body and then create a sketch. And you also have to make sure that you are inside part design if you want to go ahead and do this. And I'm going to be making my sketch inside the XY plane. So I'll just double click on it. I'll then insert a simple rectangle sketch, and then from here I should be good to go. So let's now navigate back to the actual sketch in here, and then you want to use the specific option called path a selected sketch, or you could also select this option right here, path, and then we have many more options that you could simply go ahead and choose. But if you want to extrude your sketch, once again, just click on path, and from here you can adjust it to wherever you want to. So let's say that you want something like a 13mm padded parameter or an extruded sketch. It will then look something like this. And so that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.